What's up, guys? How is it going? ADP is back in the house. Miss you guys. It's probably been about 2 months since I haven't uploaded anything, but I've been really busy with other projects, and also I've been away. So I'm back with a vengeance, back with a lot more content than ever before. I'm gonna smash you guys with content left, right, and center. All you need to do is follow and practice and implement, and you will do so well. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can apply for a Payoneer account. Since last time I spoke about how you can create a Merch by Amazon account and how you can get accepted fast, etc. Today I'm going to show you, for those of you who Amazon don't accept your country, you can use Payoneer as a means for payment, and Amazon will accept it. So I'm going to show you two methods. One with a bank account, so if you have a bank account you can use that method. If you don't, not a problem. I'm going to show you another method where you can get a Payoneer account without having a bank account at all. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit that notification button and comment with your suggestions or questions, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Couple of announcements to make. Firstly, I've reached a couple of milestones that I wanted to achieve. So the first one is I hit 40,000 shirts sold or products sold, and I also hit over $111,000 in royalties. This is crazy, and we're not even in Q4. The second announcement is I have created a website or a blog, so I can share all of my content in there, and so if you guys want to check it out, it is down below in the description. It's called Make Money Online Legit. I'm gonna start with Merch by Amazon, and I'll do some stuff on Etsy, print on demand, maybe SEO and other stuff. Loads and loads of projects that I'm working on, so you guys will be following all of that, and it's all to do with making money online. So whatever I experiment with, I am going to share with you guys so you can benefit as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to payoneer.com and you want to click register here. And it shows you this screen right here where you enter all of your details. So I'm going to enter mine. Then you click next. Then you continue entering your details, so your address and your telephone number. Again, you click next. Now we choose a password and re-enter a password. We need to set up some security questions and answers as well. We also need to choose the business category. We'll probably go for design and multimedia. So I'm just going to enter any number, but you guys need to put your real number there because I'm not really applying for an account. I've already got one. And we enter the code that they show us. Click next. And this is the step where you enter your bank details. I'm just going to choose HSBC. I'm going to put my account name, account number, and a sort code. Agree. Then we'll click submit. Once you've submitted the application, it will show you that's in review, in process, and you'll receive an email confirmation once they've assessed your application, and they'll tell you what the outcome is if you've been accepted or rejected. And once you've been accepted, what you do is you go to Global Payment Service, like so. Scroll down to your USD account, click on it, and it comes up with all of the details that you need. Bank name, routing number, account type, and what you do is you put it into Merch by Amazon bank information area, and that's it. That's pretty much how you do it with the first method. Now the second method, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually create a Payoneer account without having a bank account in the first place. So keep watching, guys. So if you don't have a bank account at all, we'll use this website called Airbnb, which will then allow us to get a Payoneer account and also a Payoneer card sent to your address, which is awesome. What we do first is we go to sign up. If you don't have an account, we'll sign up with email. I'll put my email address, first name, last name, create a password, enter your correct details, put your birthday, month and year, and then hit sign up. So I'm going to do that now. and then we click sign up, and we need to accept their terms and conditions. Make sure you read them before, and then we click next. We'll click I'll do this later. Again, click I'll do this later. At this stage, you can either confirm your email address or click I'll do this later, and again I'll do this later. Start exploring. Perfect. Now we signed up to an Airbnb account. What we need to do is we need to go to here and go to account, and then we go to payments and payouts. We go to payouts right here, and then we go to add payout method. We need to choose the country where we are. So I'm not going to choose United Kingdom. I'll choose Morocco instead, because they are the country that doesn't get accepted by Merch by Amazon. And also it is the country where we would usually need this kind of registration method, either Morocco or the Middle East, or somewhere where Merch by Amazon doesn't accept banks. So we'll go to Payoneer, prepaid debit MasterCard in USD. Click next. And this is where we enter the correct address so that we can receive the Payoneer card. Once we've entered the correct details, we click next again. So here it tells you that you're going to receive a physical card. What you do is you click next. Now Airbnb transfers us to Payoneer. So what we need to do is we need to check that the details that we have here are the correct details, and then click next. So once you've filled out all of your details and you made sure they're correct, you click next again. And you enter a password and security question and answer. Then click next. And once we've entered all of the details, you could enter either your national ID, passport or driving license. Once you've made sure that all of your details are correct, click agree, 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 and then order. And what they're saying here is it's in review, in process. And once they've made sure that all of your details are correct and approved your application, you will receive your card within, say, around 20 days or so. A lot of the time you'll receive it before 20 days has passed. And now if we go to Payoneer and log in with the exact same details that we've registered with in Airbnb and Payoneer, we should be able to see our accounts there in progress. So we'll do sign in. And here we need to add security questions and answers, then submit. And this is exactly how you create a Payoneer account through Airbnb without having any account in the first place. Now what they'll do is they'll check your details, approve them, etc. And then once you've passed all their security checks, you'll have a fully functioning Payoneer account, and you can register through Merch by Amazon with it. You'll also receive your card to the address that you've entered. Make sure it is the correct address as well. And once you've been accepted, guys, this is what you would do. You would go to Global Services, just like I showed you before, and find all of your details and enter them onto Merch by Amazon. Again, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button. I'll be coming back to you guys with more value, a lot more videos than ever before. So stay tuned. Check out my website, makemoneyonlinelegit.com. Check out my Facebook groups. Check out everything, my social media and all of that. I've got it down below in the description. So I'll see you in the next one.